Hi everyone, welcome to third grade math. To start, for a warm-up, you're going to need your worksheet that we worked on yesterday and your abacus. Go ahead and pause this video so that you can get your materials, come back, and then resume the video. On side 2 of your abacus, how many beads do you enter to make 6? We would enter 6. How many beads do you enter to make 60 or 610? We would enter 6 beads, 610 beads. How many beads would you enter to make 600? 600 beads. Now, how many beads would you enter to make 6,000? 6,000 beads. Now, with the help of your abacus, go ahead and do your warm-up problems 7 and 8. I'm going to do 9 with you so that we remember how we do it. So we're going to be on side 2 of our abacus. So for problem 9, we're going to start with the top number. We're going to enter 9,000, 0 in our hundreds, 610, 2. We're going to subtract 5,000, 100, 410, 6. So let's start with our thousands. We're going to subtract 5,000 from 9. Now we're going to subtract 1, but we don't have any hundreds. So what do we need to do? We need to trade 1 1,000 bead for 10 100 beads. Now we can subtract 1, so 1 bead. We're going to take now 4 10 beads from our 6 beads. And now we need to take 6 ones, but we don't have enough. So we're going to trade one of our 10 beads for 10 1 beads. Now we can take away 6. So what is our answer? Our answer is 3,900, 110, 6. Go ahead and pause this video so you can do your 2 warm-up problems. Okay, so today we will be subtracting big numbers, but now we're going to be starting on the right. We've been starting on the left with our thousands, but today we're going to start with our right. So let's look at $9,062 minus 5,100 for 410, 6 or 46. So we're going to enter our top number, just like we've been doing. 9,000, no hundreds, 610, 2. But now we're going to start on the right. So first we're going to subtract the ones. Do we have enough ones to do the subtraction? No. Can we get more ones? Yes, it'll be the same thing. We trade a 10 bead for 10 1 beads. Now we can subtract 6. Now we're going to move on to our 10s. Can we take 4 beads from here? Yes, we have enough. We can take 4 beads. Now our hundreds. Well, we don't have any beads, and we need to subtract 1. So we're going to take 1 bead from our thousands to make 10 100s. Now we can take 1 bead from our hundreds. And we're we're going to take from our thousands place. So we can take 5 from 9. And our answer is 3,900,110,6. If you notice, it was the same problem that you did on your warm-up. And we got the same answer too. Now we're going to do a different problem. Now we have 400 minus 200, 210, 2. Let's clear our abacus and go ahead and enter 400 on your abacus. So we will start with our ones. Can we subtract from our ones? No, there's nothing there. Well, normally we would trade with our tens, but there's nothing in our tens spot either. So we have to keep going and trade one of our 100 beads. But we can't just trade 100 beads onto our 1. We're going to have to trade to our tens first. So we'll trade one 100 bead to make 10, 10. Then we're going to trade one 10 bead to make 10, 1. Now we can take 2 from our ones place. Our next one is taking 2 from our tens place. And then taking 2 from our hundreds place. So what is our answer? Our answer is 100, 710, 8. Go ahead and flip over your sheet. I want you to do all the even numbers. So 10, 12, 14, 16, and 18. I am going to do number 10 with you. We will save the other problems for another time, so don't lose your worksheet. But let's do number 10 together. So first we enter 9,400, 610, 8. You can subtract it any way you want. You can subtract starting on the ones or starting on the thousands. I'm going to start with the ones. So we can take 3 from 8. So I'm going to move my 3 beads. Taking 7 from 6. Well, we don't have enough, so we'll trade and take 7 now. 2 from our hundreds and 8 from our thousand. So my answer is 2,100, 910, 5. I'm going to do number 10 with you. So we're going to enter 9,400, 610, 8. I'm going to start on the ones, so I'm going to take 3 from my ones place. I can't take 7 from my tens place, so I'm going to trade 100 for 10 10 beads. And now I'm going to take 7. I'm going to take 2 from my hundreds place. And then I'm going to take 8 from my thousands place. So my answer is 1,100, 910, 5. Go ahead and pause this video to finish the other even numbered problems with your abacus. Remember, you can subtract from the ones or the thousands, whichever way. Once you finish those problems, you can come back and resume the video. Thank you so much for joining me for 3rd grade math today. I'll see you tomorrow.